everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I'm popping on just to show you one of the ideas that I've done, concept, and this is using your lower end products to make a high end gift. Alright, so I'm gonna spin you around and let you see this gift. I think it has turned out beautifully. It is very nice. Alright, so let me spin you around real quick and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, so with this gift, I used some of my Dollar Tree products, as well as some of the slightly higher end products. And I think that it has turned out beautifully. So this is what the gift looks like. And I'll tell you what I did. Get this glue off of here. Got little sticky pieces of glue on here. Alright, so first of all, I used the trucks, and you know that idea came from Gifts by Chosen. So make sure you go back and watch her videos on the trucks. So we took the trucks and we painted them. And then I added the trays to them and painted the front of the tray. Alright, now these trays are a lighter wood. So the red is the same paint, but the red is a little bit brighter on these because it is a lighter wood, almost using a white background, whereas the trucks are a darker wood. All right, they're not as light as these. So the truck, we got kind of a brick truck, brick color, and the red here is a little bit lighter. And that's okay. I'm going to leave this just like that. So I also used the black paint to make the tires, and we thought about leaving the tires plain, but that was driving me nuts, so I had to go ahead and paint them. Alright, so what I did was we glued the truck in place on the tray, and then I added the tray itself along with the trucks to the box by putting just a little bit of glue in the center so that it would not move and stay in place. All right, so I thought that that was a great idea. It turned out really nice, and I'm really liking it. All right, and then I added some tissue to the center of the truck and then started placing my items. All right, so what I did was I decided to use the Power Stick set. Down here, Power Stick is pretty popular. A lot of men like Power Stick. So we have the Power Stick body wash, the body wipes, as well as the body spray mist. All right, and then I added a loofah because, of course, we can't shower without something to shower with. So we got our loofah here. All right, and then to the other side, I added the stereo sound headbuds. We have our sunglasses and our Dove cream, as well as a cologne set, and this is Blue for Men from Rainbow. All right, so the loofah and all of the shower stuff came from from Dollar Tree, as well as the Dove cream. Our sunglasses came from Temu. Our cologne came from Rainbow. And then these are the stereo headsets that I got at Dollar General. I got 22 of them for $3.74. Because that's what was marked on the box that had 22 of them in there. And she did not want to try to figure out if it was 22 each, $3.74 each or for the box. So she gave me the whole box for $3.74. All right, and then of course we have our infamous house slippers. All right, so I put this together like this, and then I just put a little bit of blue shred down in there. And this is one and done. So I just think that this turned out really, really nice. And that's what the back looks like. These slippers are a size large, and large is 9 to 10. All right, so kind of small for a man, most men anyway, but I think they're still sellable. This was the only size they have. I may have a couple of extra larges, but I didn't get any of the mediums. I don't even know that they had any mediums that I can remember, but I didn't get any. And I got all their larges and extra larges. If they had extra larges, I'll look when I keep doing these concepts. But I will be doing several of these depending upon how much cologne I have left. I may have to run out to Rainbow and buy some more of the colognes. But that's what this one is looking like. And I think that it turned out really nice. When I bag and bow it, it will probably be about $15 spent to make this gift. All right, so not a bad deal. This, like I said, will be one of my higher or more expensive gifts. It won't be expensive, but it will be definitely higher than all the other gifts. Simply because of the work that went into it, the thought that went into it. And it's just, like I said, a really nice gift. So make sure, if you are returning, that you continue to be blessed. And thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. You all don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Tell me what you think about this gift. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live.